Industrialization plays a vital role in the economic development of any country. The historical facts reveal that all the developed countries of the world broke the vicious circle of underdevelopment by industrialization. The National Industrial Corridor Development Programme stands as India's most ambitious infrastructure initiative aiming to shape the future of urban and industrial development. This visionary program seeks to create new industrial cities as smart cities where next-generation technologies seamlessly integrate across various infrastructure sectors. By fostering the development of these futuristic industrial hubs, the Government of India is positioning the country as a global leader in manufacturing and investment, rivaling the world's top destinations. Central to this strategy is the development of integrated industrial corridors designed to accelerate growth in the manufacturing sector and promote systematic urbanization. These corridors, supported by robust multimodal connectivity and developed in collaboration with state governments, are set to drive employment opportunities, economic growth, and overall socio-economic development across the nation. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation's mandate includes project development activities for a wide range of initiatives, including investment regions, industrial areas, economic zones, industrial nodes, townships, integrated manufacturing clusters, and standalone or early stage projects. It also provides vital support to various state governments in these endeavors. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation's role extends to comprehensive project development, including preparing master plans, feasibility reports, and detailed project reports. Additionally, it acts as a key intermediary in developing and establishing infrastructure projects, facilitating the creation and distribution of financial instruments, negotiating loans, and designing schemes for resource mobilization and credit extension for infrastructure development. The national industrial corridors in our country include Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor or DMIC, Amritsar-Kolkata Industrial Corridor or AKIC, Chennai-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, that is CBIC, Vizag-Chennai Industrial Corridor, which is also known as VCIC, Bengaluru-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is BMIC, Odisha Economic Corridor, which is OEC, Hyderabad-Nagpur Industrial Corridor, which is HNIC, Hyderabad-Warangal Industrial Corridor, HWIC, Hyderabad-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, which is HBIC, an extension of CBIC to Kochi via Coimbatore, and Delhi-Nagpur Industrial Corridor, that is DNIC. The National Industrial Corridor Development Programme aims to cultivate a dynamic industrial ecosystem by attracting investments from both large anchor industries and micro, small, and medium enterprises. These industrial nodes will serve as catalysts for achieving the ambitious target of $2 trillion in exports by 2030, aligning with the government's vision of a self-reliant and globally competitive India. Smart cities and modern infrastructure. NICDP. The corporation will see the development of new industrial cities as greenfield smart cities of global standards. These cities will be built ahead of demand, incorporating the plug-and-play and walk-to-work concepts, ensuring advanced infrastructure that supports sustainable and efficient industrial operations. Area approach on PM Gati Shakti. Aligned with PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, these projects will integrate multimodal connectivity infrastructure, ensuring seamless movement of people, goods, and services. The industrial cities will serve as growth centers, transforming entire regions into vibrant economic hubs. Vision for a Viksit Bharat. The corporation's approval advances the vision of a Viksit Bharat, a developed India. By positioning India as a key player in global value chains, the corporation will offer developed land parcels ready for immediate allotment, facilitating domestic and international investors and establishment of manufacturing units. This initiative aligns with the broader objective of creating an Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant India, driving economic growth through enhanced industrial output and employment. Economic impact and employment generation. This program is expected to create substantial employment opportunities with an estimated 1 million direct jobs and up to 3 million indirect jobs. This will provide livelihoods and contribute to the socio-economic upliftment of regions where the projects are implemented. Commitment to Sustainable Program. The National Industrial Corridor Development Program projects strongly emphasize sustainability, incorporating ICT-enabled utilities and green technologies to minimize environmental impact. The aim is to create industrial cities that are not just economic powerhouses, but also models of environmental stewardship. There are 12 new project proposals under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. The initiative aims to create a strong network of industrial nodes and cities, driving economic growth and enhancing the country's global competitiveness. These 12 industrial areas, strategically located across 10 states and planned along 6 major corridors, will be pivotal in advancing India's manufacturing capabilities and economic expansion. The approved cities include Khurpia in Uttarakhand, Rajpura Patiala in Punjab, Dighi in Maharashtra, Palakkad in Kerala, Agra in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, Gaya in Bihar, Zahirabad in Telangana, Orwakal in Andhra Pradesh, Koparthi in Andhra Pradesh, and Jodhpur Pali in Rajasthan. Approving 12 new industrial nodes under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program marks a significant milestone in India's journey towards becoming a global manufacturing powerhouse. With a strategic focus on integrated development, sustainable infrastructure, and seamless connectivity, these projects are poised to redefine India's industrial landscape and fuel the nation's economic growth for years to come. Greenfield industrial smart cities include Dholera Special Investment Region in Gujarat. This Greenfield industrial smart city is located 100 kilometers southwest of Ahmedabad, designed to be India's leading hub for manufacturing and industrial development. As the country's first platinum-rated industrial smart city, it features the largest land parcels in Southeast Asia and targets key sectors like defense, aviation, high-tech, and pharmaceuticals. Established in 2016, Dholera Industrial City Development Limited is a special purpose vehicle formed as a joint venture with the Government of Gujarat holding 51% stake and the Government of India holding 49% stake. The SPV focuses on sustainable, non-polluting industries to drive regional and national growth. Aurangabad Industrial Township Limited in Maharashtra. This is a meticulously planned greenfield smart industrial city covering 10,000 acres in Maharashtra, developed as part of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Located near Aurangabad, at Shendra and Bitkin, this is managed by Aurangabad Industrial Township Limited, a special purpose vehicle between Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation and the National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust. The city dedicates 60% within the DMIC region. The National Industrial Corridor Development Programme represents a transformative initiative poised to reshape India's industrial landscape and position the country as a global manufacturing leader. The recent cabinet approval of 12 new industrial nodes underscores the government's unwavering commitment to fostering economic growth, creating employment opportunities, and advancing sustainable development. These projects will not only bolster India's manufacturing capabilities, but also serve as catalysts for regional economic upliftment, driving the nation towards a vision of a self-reliant and developed India. As these industrial corridors come to fruition, they will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of India's economy